Today we're talking about relative tuning on the guitar. Relative tuning comes in handy when you don't have a tuner with you. And basically what we're doing is we're tuning the guitar to this top string right here. So they're all in tune with each other even though the top string might not be a true E. So for relative tuning you will need to find your 5th fret and your 4th fret. The 5th fret has this nifty dot on the top right here as well as on the fretboard right here, okay? So if we find that 5th fret and we put our finger on the 6th string, this top string right here, and we play it, that's the same sound that we should get out of our 5th string right below, okay? So when I'm relatively tuning, I'll put my finger right here on the 5th fret and I'll play my 2 strings like that, okay? So those 2 strings are in tune with each other, and then I'm going to move my finger down 1 string, and then I'll play my 5th string and my 4th string. Okay? And then moving down again, I'll put it on my 4th string, and then I'll play my 4th and my 3rd string together. So the next one is a little tricky. You're going to have to move your finger over to the 4th string and then down a string, or the 4th fret down a string, okay? And then for the last string, you would move your finger back to the 5th fret and do the top 2, okay? So you can hear that a couple of my strings aren't perfectly in tune. So what I would do really fast is go back, so I can tell my 2nd string right here is a little sharp, so I'm going to have to lower it. Still feels a little sharp to me. And if you let go, your top and bottom string should be the same note. So that is how you relatively tune, and it comes in handy when you don't have a tuner with you.